Welcome to How to Set Yourself Financially Free in 5 minutes. If you're ready to unlock a life of unlimited earning potential, residual income, and true financial freedom, stay with me. This is your moment. My name is Dr. J.J. Levine, a chiropractor who's cared for thousands of patients in natural health care. For 35 years, I've educated people on organic, toxic-free living, and I've seen lives transform. And I know this, nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. Right now, we're in the middle of a massive paradigm shift. People are waking up, getting educated faster than ever, and demanding products that work just as well as the ones they grew up with, but which are toxic-free. This shift is creating the next trillion-dollar opportunity. And here's the truth. You only need a tiny sliver of that pie to set yourself financially free. Salespeople are some of the biggest earners in the world. Top performers in tech, real estate, and consumer goods are making millions through commissions and residuals. And you can join them. Imagine earning money every week, not just from your sales, but from a team that you build. Picture 6 lucrative bonuses waiting for you as you grow. This isn't a job. It's a lifestyle where you control your destiny. And here's the best part. We're talking about daily consumables, products people are already using: toothpaste, shampoo, deodorant, laundry detergent. You don't need to convince anybody to brush their teeth or wash their clothes. When people run out, they buy more instinctively online or in stores. Now imagine this. Every time they reorder, you earn. And even better, feel the power of earning from an entire team below you. This is residual income, money that keeps coming month after month for work you do one time. There are no ceilings. Grow your customer base and your team as big as you want. Your friends, family, and network are already buying these products. Why not get a piece of that action? I'm offering you a rock-solid, multi-award winning company which has been featured on television, magazines, and more, that's been producing toxic-free products since 2009. And while others scramble to catch up, we've already done it. We produce the products, warehouse them, and ship them straight to your customers' doors. We built your website, a seamless online store loaded with products people love. Every product comes with a guarantee. We do the heavy lifting so you can focus on earning. We're growing fast and paying generously to get the word out. You don't need experience. Never managed a sales team, never worked outside of a 9-to-5 job, that's okay. Your 9-to-5 will cap your income. We offer unlimited residuals and free training to make you unstoppable. And here's how you start. For as little as $199 or $499 if you're serious. You get your business in a box, your website, your products, your training, support, and a guarantee on your investment. I'm not looking for everyone. I'm looking for leaders, people who are serious, who want to control their destiny, who see the power of residual income. If that's not you, I'd still love to help you get healthier with our products. Either way, get back with the person who shared this video. They'll show you how to shop either retail, wholesale, or better yet, own your own business and control your destiny. This is critical. You must get back with the person who shared this video immediately. Do you think you're the only one they sent this to? This video is going viral. People are jumping in and they're building teams right now. And if you act now, the people they share this with can be on your team, below you, where you earn from their efforts. Hesitate and someone else will take your spot, earning everything that comes from your network. Everyone needs a place in this opportunity. Why not have them underneath you? Fortune favors the bold. Secure your position today. Contact the person who sent this video to you and say, I'm in. Let's build our financial freedom together.